Go ahead.
Today's video is on fidget spinner tricks. And these things are really popular. So I was like up in the morning and I was like, Mom, I want to make a fidget spinner video. I asked my mom so many times to make one about fidget spinner tricks. And let's get on with some fidget spinner tricks. First trick is thumb spin. It's pretty easy. It's really easy to do. Now let's go to the next trick. Next trick is the spinning, I don't know, I just call it the thumb switch. There's little brother's head. Just that. Oh, I'm going to show this again. There you go. The thumb switch spinner switch trick. Alright, next. This is a really cool one. I like this one. The hat spinning. Oh! And now I'm going to do a knee spin. Alright, let's try to do this knee spin. Alright, let's get this knee spin. Knee spin. Let's do elbow spin. Alright, can you spin this? Spin it. Go. Really fast. Elbow spin. Well, that's it for the video, and I'm going to try to get better, and I'm going to try to make another video about fidget spinner tricks and learn some more tricks. Bye.